Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach question number 1 from the exercise 2.5. This is for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. Chapter is polynomials. Question here is, use suitable identities to find the following of the products. You can see x plus 4 is a polynomial. It should be multiplied by the other polynomial, which is x plus 10. Here, notice here the first term both are same. Same here, x plus 8, x minus 10. First term are same, only the second is different here. The same for the third, 3x and 3x, y square, y square. We can easily multiply these type of polynomials using this identity, which is x plus a into x plus b. We can see the first term both are same. When you multiply this, it is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So I will explain this identity in detail. So if in general, if it is in the form x plus a and x plus b, only the first term are same, whereas the second are different here. Now let us multiply one by one. First of all, take the first term x, multiply by x. Again the same x should be multiplied by the second one, that is b. Here first of all multiply x into x, it is x square, plus x into b, it is bx. I am writing in alphabetical order. The same way, let us multiply this one. The second term, a into x. The same a into b. A into x, it is ax. Plus a into b, it is ab. We have got like terms here, x and x. Okay. Now x plus, take x as common, it is b plus a plus ab. Okay, here x square plus, I am rewriting this in a proper form, that is instead of b plus a we can write a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. So this is the identity. So using this identity, let us solve the subdivisions one by one. I have written the identity. Now let us write the question here. So use your pencil to write the given polynomial x plus 4 into x plus 10. Now this is the identity. Compare with the given question. In the place of x we have the same x, right? X square plus a plus b into x. What is a here? In the place of a we have got 4 plus, in the place of b we have got 10 into x. What is x? In the place of x, again x is the same variable, plus a into b. Compare, a is 4 into b here is 10, which is equal to x square plus 4 plus 10 is 14 multiplied by x, 14x plus 4 tens are 40. This is the final answer, x square plus 14x plus 40 when you are multiplying these two polynomials. Let us solve the second subdivision. X plus 8 into x minus 10. When you compare with the given identity, it is ax plus a into x plus b. Nowhere we have got minus sign in the general form, whereas in the question it is minus here in the second polynomial. So in this case, what shall we do? Let us see. X plus 8. Here I am going to write x plus, this is the general form, the minus 10, like this. So this is x plus a, x plus minus 10. So plus into minus will be minus only. So the value will not change. Here in the place of a we have got 8, whereas in the place of b we have got minus 10. This is what we have to understand very carefully. Now let us apply in the identity. So let us apply the formula now, which is equal to, let us write the question here. Use your pencil. So it is x plus 8. This is the first polynomial into x plus, what is the next polynomial? It is minus 10. Okay. Now compare this. In the place of x we have the same x. So write x square plus a plus b. What is a here? A is 8 plus, you can see x is here, the plus sign is there. So in the place of b we have got the entire minus 10. So minus 10. 8 plus minus 10. This is a plus b. Okay, now into x. X is the same x plus ab. 8 into minus 10. Now x square plus, open the bracket. Now simplify this. 8, multiply the sign. Plus into minus is minus 10 into x. So now plus 8 into minus 10. It is minus 80. Now x square plus 8 minus 10 is minus 2 into x. It is minus 2x. Now remove the bracket by multiplying. Plus into minus is minus 80. Now finally we can write like this, x square. Now remove the bracket by multiplying. Plus into minus is minus 2x minus 80. This is the answer. Next, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5, we have to change it into x plus b form. Let us do it here. 3x plus 4, open the bracket, 3x. I need a plus here because the general form is plus. Now b. b is the entire minus 5. When you multiply, you can see 3x plus into minus will be minus 5. The same form will be retained. So the value will not change. This is x plus a and this is x plus b. b is the minus 5. X square. In the place of x, what we have? In the place of x, we have 3x the whole square. Here you should not make the mistake of writing 3x square. That is totally wrong because the square is for the entire x value. The x value here is 3x. It is 3x the whole square plus a. What is a here? According to the question, a here is compared with this, it is 4 plus b here is according to the question, this is b. b here is which is inside the bracket minus 5 into x. What is x value? It is 3x plus ab. a here is 4 into b. b again it is minus 5. Now expand this. 3 square it is 9 x square plus. Now let us simplify inside the bracket. 4 plus into minus is minus 5 into 3x plus. Simplify this by multiplying minus 20. 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. The next step is 9x square plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1 into 3x. Now remove the bracket. Plus into minus is minus 20. Finally 9x square. Remove the bracket by multiplying the sign. Plus into minus is minus 1 into 3x is it is 3x minus 20. This is the final answer. Fourth subdivision given is y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. The first term both have y square. So we can use the same identity x plus a into x plus b. Now let us compare the question with the identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. Okay. Now you can see a is 3 by 2. So how will you write b? Now you can mentally calculate what is the b value. B value is minus 3 by 2. Okay. The same as the previous one. Finally, what is x here? Now what is x here? X is equal to, in the place of x, what we have? It is y square. In the place of x, we have got y square. Okay. Now these are the all three values which we need to apply in the identity. Now x square. What is x here? X is y square. This is x value. Again you have to square it. Plus a. What is a here? 3 by 2. Plus b is minus 3 by 2. Okay, close the bracket. Now into x. What is x value? Y square plus a into b. A here is 3 by 2. B is minus 3 by 2, which is equal to, now expand by multiplying, y square the whole square. It is y power 2 2s are 4 plus, open the bracket, simplify this, 3 by 2 plus into minus, it is minus 3 by 2 into y square plus, open the bracket and multiply this. This is product. So 3 into minus 3, it is minus 9 divided by 2 2s are 4. Here y power 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, it will be 0 y square. Okay, so here you can see this is 0 into y square. Now remove the bracket by multiplying the sign. Plus into minus is minus 9 by 4. Here finally we have got y power 4 minus 9 by 4 because the middle term is 0 now. So this is the final answer. Fifth subdivision is 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. We are going to use this identity, 3 minus 2x. Here you can notice in the place of a we have got negative sign. So it is, you can rewrite this as 3 plus minus 2x like the previous ones. Okay. So we can notice from the given question 3 minus 2x. So how can we convert it? It should be x plus a form. So 3 plus, inside the bracket it is minus 2x. Plus into minus will be minus 2x. So the value will not change. The second one retain as the same. Now this is x plus, in the place of a what we have got, minus 2x into x plus b. Now x is, in the place of x, both the polynomials we have 3. What is a value? A value is minus 2x. So in the place of a we have got minus 2x. In the place of b we have got 2x. So when you have all the values ready, it is very easy to apply in the identity. X square, what is x value? 3. Square it plus a plus b. A is minus 2x plus b is 2x into x value. What is x value? 3 plus ab. A value is minus 2x into 2x. Here it is 9 plus minus 2x plus 2x will be 0 here. So 0 multiplied by 3, it is 0 only. Now plus multiply these two. Now let us multiply these two. Minus 2x into 2x, it is minus 4x square. Now 9. Now remove the bracket. Plus into minus is minus 4x square. Now this is the final answer. You can use one more identity to simply find it, which is 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x, which is a plus b into a minus b form. This is a plus b into, this is a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So when you apply this, it will be a square. A here is 3 square minus b square. So b is 2x the whole square, which is equal to 9 minus 2 square is 4x square. The same answer. Okay. So you can choose any identity which you wish. I hope you must have understood all the subdivisions which I have solved in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.